Hey you guys, SK the Homesteader here with an update of her newly made expansion raised bed area, and I'm gonna call this one kind of like part 2. Y'all saw well, I would say this would be part 3. My part 2 was with my son's moving the mulch around the perimeter, and you see my son's dog, he wanted to be good so he could get a dog bone treat. And I'm gonna leave him right there so he can entertain you guys. All right, you guys, so I'm gonna say this one would be part 3 because I did not bring you guys the part 1 of laying down the Dewitt landscaping fabric, and this actually is 12 feet wide. Previous videos and previous expansions I used the 6 feet wide, so I stepped out with the 12 feet, which covers more space and that gives you less work, but it also comes in the 15 foot if you're interested in that. So the Dewitt fabric landscaping is 12 feet wide. So again, I'm gonna call this part 3 because I wanted to let you guys know about the cheaper way of making your raised beds with wood fencing and also timber fencing. And these come in 2 different prices. One is $1 and change and the other one is $2 and change, and I think it's because one is cedar, one is treated. So you can actually make a raised bed with just $5. So all these raised beds in here cost me roughly 30 bucks, not including the timber landscaping wood, which is around the perimeter. And also, let me tell you guys about this. You can use this timber that's around the perimeter to do a raised bed as well. These are very, very strong pieces of wood, but I'm undecided if I'm going to somewhat use it to fence around the perimeter with cinder blocks. It looks nice the way it is. So, but y'all know how Essie is. I'm always thinking of different things to do. So actually my plan is to put these raised beds around the perimeter because I want to use some other type of raised beds in the center part. So I'm still undecided on what I'm going to do. I haven't had the aha moment, but this is looking really nice. So I'm tempted to leave it this way. So again, the cheaper way to make your raised beds is to get the fencing wood, which is $1 and change or $2 and change. Very economical. When I first started out with my raised beds, I was very expensive with the wood. My first 2 probably cost me like 60 bucks each because I was using very wide wood and it was treated wood. I never used those in the garden area, but I created my little salad bar table. So it's holding up very well, but again, I did spend a lot of money at the beginning when I was using different woods. And in the left and right raised bed area, I used the 4x6 and 4x8s. Most of those was treated. It was like I started out with $5 each. Now that wood is costing $7 now, and the lumber is going to get more expensive. We already know that. So this is a very economical, feasible way to start your new garden. This will be a $30 garden, you guys. So you got, let me see what we got. 6 raised beds. That's not bad. Y'all say body hero. He's like, okay, I need my treat now. All right, you guys. So with the fencing wood, y'all know the dog ears that be on the end. You can clip those off and even out your boards. I use 2x4s to connect so I have more space, something to drill in without splitting the wood. So I found I had a lot of scrap wood around, so I used that for the edging and again the fencing. So this is what they are looking like. So you guys, these are $5 raised beds. Most of my raised beds in the garden area cost me at least $20 to $30 each. So if I had to do it over again, I would definitely go with this route. But again, shoot, if you got 100 bucks and you have the space, hey, get you 15 beds in your yard and grow you lots of food. All right, so again, my plan is to put those around the perimeter like so. And I'm still undecided if I'm gonna put food out there, because I was thinking about making like a pretty garden with the food inside. So I'll come up with something, but right now I just have them situated inside because my son said, oh, these look really good, Mom. So this is what we got completed as far as chores today. I'm excited. We're getting to the finish, not the finish line, but getting to the finish line of expansion, because we still got work to do out here in this yard. And as y'all can see, the mulch pile is getting lower and lower, and we've been mulching up trees like crazy. And most of this mulch will go into these raised beds, and then I'll top them off with some good soil and some compost. But the earthworms definitely did a great job breaking it down. Literally was watching this go down throughout the summer months of last year when they was dumping it off. So I'm hoping by another week or so we'll have this area cleared up to where the grass will begin to grow back. And I'm sure it'll be very pretty and green because the earthworms is down there working. So yeah, you guys, so this is what it's looking like. Again, my $30 garden. And I'm not sure what I'm gonna grow over here. It'll probably be lots of lettuce and things like that. I haven't had like a really great turnout with lettuce, and I think I need to start some seeds. So I may attempt to start seeds. I've been so busy, so I haven't been able to start any seeds. So I'm thinking probably the first week of April, I may direct sow, or I may start some seeds indoor and just see how that pans out. But I'm looking forward to growing a lot of food. It'll be some of everything over here. Peppers, squash, zucchini. It'll be some of everything over here. And I may just put flowers in each corner, or maybe what they call it, the wine barrels or something like that, to grow some pretty flowers, because I think I want to put a bench outward to have a little sitting sanctuary spot. I may even put a little swing or something out there. We'll see. Drop me some lines, give me some suggestions, family. You know, sometimes you run out of ideas, but it seems like I don't never run out of ideas. Like I said, I'm at the finish line of doing whatever to this garden, and every year I come up with other ideas, but that's how gardening is. So, all right, you guys, this is what it's looking like. I hope you guys enjoyed this update. Thank you for tuning into my channel. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, thumbs up, and share. SEK the Homesteader. We'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.